In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Microsoft Outlook to its default settings. This is useful when Outlook starts acting strangely, views look messy, the navigation pane won't load, or the app won't open properly. These resets fix display and layout issues without deleting your emails, accounts, or data. Start by completely closing Outlook. Don't rely on clicking the X, because Outlook can still run in the background. Open Task Manager using Ctrl+Shift+Escape, or by right-clicking the taskbar. Under Processes, look for Outlook or Microsoft Outlook. If it appears, select it, and choose End Task so the reset commands can run correctly. The first reset targets Outlook's custom views. Press Windows+R to open the Run dialog and type outlook.exe/cleanviews. Press Enter and Outlook will launch with all views restored to their original defaults. This removes custom columns, sorting, filters, and grouping that might be causing display issues. It's a safe fix that doesn't affect your emails or folders. After Outlook loads, check whether your issue is resolved. If the problem continues, reset the navigation pane. Close Outlook again and confirm it's not running in Task Manager. Open Run and type outlook.exe/resetNavPane. This resets the navigation pane, which controls your folder list, favorites, and shortcuts. It's especially helpful if Outlook won't start because a corrupted navigation pane is blocking it. Favorites and shortcuts may be removed, but your messages, accounts, and calendar items stay intact. Make sure each command includes a space between outlook.exe and the slash, since leaving it out will prevent the command from working. If Windows can't find outlook.exe, ensure Outlook is installed and run the command from a user account with the correct permissions. After each reset, give Outlook a moment to rebuild its settings. With these two commands, you can safely return Outlook's layout to default and fix most view, pane, and startup issues quickly.